Can DHT blocking shampoos stop your hair loss? The number one cause of hair loss is the hormone DHT, and in order to stop your hair loss properly, you have to address this issue. There is a prescription medicine called finasteride, which is believed to block DHT in the most effective way. Due to its possible side effects, some people, including myself, try to block DHT in a more natural way. There are shampoos created with the intention to do just that. Personally, I have been on a hair regrowth journey for over a year, and I have experienced great results using minoxidil and a lot of other hair growth products. During this time, I've also been using this shampoo, and I have experienced a lot less shedding than before. When I was using regular shampoos, I experienced a lot more shedding, and my hair quality felt much worse. So if you are on a hair regrowth journey, or if you are experiencing a lot of hair loss, I would definitely recommend this shampoo or a similar shampoo containing natural DHT blocking ingredients, along with ingredients such as caffeine, biotin, saw palmetto, ketoconazole, and so on. It can really take your hair to the next level.